Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. So today we're going to be looking at some of the most insane 2JZ swaps. For those of you who don't know already, a 2JZ is an inline-six engine that is most known for being the heart of a Toyota Supra. And many people decide to do the 2JZ swaps simply because of how much power you can squeeze out of them. So starting off the video, we've got this ridiculous 335i and it's running about 1000 wheel horsepower. And here's a great example of the fact that people literally 2JZ swap anything. This guy put a 2JZ in a Suzuki Samurai. And this guy's number plate says it all. This thing rips.
The lens.
And here we have a 2JZ swapped Mazda RX-8. And this 2JZ swapped BMW E46 is running about 800 horsepower. Watch as this 757 horsepower Subaru BRZ struggles to put any power down. I don't think I'll ever get sick of the sound of a 2JZ on limiter. And here we have a 600 wheel horsepower 2JZ Nissan Patrol. Check out this 2JZ swapped Nissan Silvia S14. Comment down below how much power you think it made on this hub dyno. And if this E90 doesn't make you want to 2JZ swap your car, I don't know what will. And you know a car's running big power when its idle sounds like this. Check out this ridiculous 880 horsepower E30. It really doesn't get much cooler than a Jeep Wrangler with a fat turbo poking out the bonnet. And the 2JZ swap has transformed this 1966 Tempest into a 10-second drag car. And this 3.4 stroker G35 sedan is pushing over 600 wheel horsepower. Watch as this Toyota pickup truck embarrasses this 5.0. And this is not just your average Tacoma. And this guy doesn't have a care in the world as he does a burnout in the middle of a petrol station. And here we have a 2JZ Subaru STI burnout. And this guy with a 2JZ backy clearly loves his launch control. And that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.